Okay everyone, we're going to do an unboxing of the Dreo Chefmaker. It arrived via UPS and it's wrapped in plastic. Inside this cardboard box. As you see, this is Dreo Chefmaker with Start Guide. Meet your new chef maker, get the latest recipes and updates, cleaning tips, getting ready to cook is number 1, tips for chef maker molds number 2, get the latest recipes and updates is number 3, and then number 4 is cleaning tips. Extend warranty to 30 months. And that's pretty much it. There's also a cookie marinade guide. Oat mold, plastic mold. Chef mold. Beef. Other beef cuts. There was the poultry there. Lamb, pork, fish and shrimp. Tips on classic mold there. Pretty helpful. Here's your cooking tray. It's wrapped nicely. It's lightweight, but feels sturdy. Cook bowl. See what it looks like. Standard thermometer probe. User manual. That's the cord. Let's see. There's nothing else in there once you get the bottom out. Unit down. This is it on the foot. Water tank is up there. There's a little guide on how to use the water tank. It's tape up here, taping the water. How to use the water tank guide to it. Tape. Please remove, that's covering that. And then your drawer is in here tape. 2 pieces. Take those off. Drawer slides out. This over. There we go. Lift up. There's the tray. And it tells you up here, that's the back. And it says that's the front. So it can only go in one way. Front is where the handle is. So that's how it goes in. Let's see what it'll do if I put it in better. Still seems to go in, but I'm gonna stick with what it says. This cord right there. Definitely take that off. Don't want to start a fire. Remove this protective covering. This piece of tape. Got the guide. The water. Thank you. It's just like the folder. It just pops up, and that's where you put the water. Let's look at the back of the unit. It's got a little weight to it, but I'll tell you what. I have some Ninja air fryers or indoor grills, and they're heavier than this, so not too bad. That's it. Look inside there. See what it looks like. And that's it. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the Dreo Chefmaker. See you in the next video.